Hello, I'm Scott Leroy, founder of Scott Leroy Solutions. What started with just one person and a dream has now grown into something extraordinary. I'm thrilled to announce our rebrand to Systato. This new name perfectly captures who we've become, a tech-enabled business support company offering custom solutions to expand your team, drive your profitability, and elevate your customer experience. At Systato, we work hard behind the scenes so you can focus on what truly matters. In a sea of vendors, Systato stands out as your one partner for customer experience, growth, business support, and technology. Creating exceptional customer experiences is at the heart of what we do. From smooth and efficient onboarding processes to seamless technology adoption, our managed solutions ensure your customers are always satisfied and engaged. Our team is dedicated to driving your long-term success. Our flexibly staffed teams boost your sales efforts, streamline your RevOps, and offer tailored growth marketing solutions to help you reach new markets and engage your audience effectively. Running a business involves juggling multiple tasks, which is why we offer comprehensive business support services. Our virtual assistants handle your administrative tasks. We staff up and manage specialized teams working in nearly any function of your business, be it bookkeeping or compliance review, or a function that's completely unique to your organization. At the foundation of all of our services, our technology team steps in to implement automation and AI solutions to streamline your processes. Systato software developers can step into your organization and expand your technology infrastructure. Established in 2012, we are committed to your growth and success. We don't just handle your processes, we become an extension of your team, understanding your unique needs and delivering customized solutions. Serving over 1,000 clients across various industries, including enterprise, SaaS, Proptech, and real estate brokerages, we manage over 50,000 client interactions per month with an average customer satisfaction of 99%. Hundreds of real estate brokerages rely on us to boost profitability by supporting their staff, increasing revenue, and decreasing costs. Our Proptech clients serve over 400,000 active users with our support in customer experience, sales, and software development. We help software companies scale effortlessly as they grow, ensuring their technology aligns with business demands. With our fractional or managed services, enterprises get access to top-notch experts without the cost of hiring full-time staff, saving time and money. With Systato, you have a trusted partner dedicated to your success. Let us help you navigate the ever-evolving business landscape and achieve your objectives. Welcome to Systato, where your growth is our priority.